Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be installing macOS Ventura on our virtual machine. So in our previous video we installed macOS Sonoma on a virtual machine on Mac using the UTM application. So for this video we will be installing macOS Ventura. So the first step is to download the macOS Ventura IPS file. So I will share the download link in the video description below. So you can simply click on this file and download it. So as I have already downloaded the file, so I am skipping the process. The next step is to Google UTM for Mac. Simply click on the first link, click on download and download the DMG file. So I have also installed the UTM application, so I am skipping this step as well. So once the file is downloaded, simply go to Launchpad and click on the UTM application. Now click on Create a Virtual Machine. Click on Virtualize. Now select macOS 12 Plus and simply drag and drop your IPS file that you have downloaded. So since the file is on desktop, I am selecting the file, click Open. So for the memory, you have to make it 8 GBs and select your CPU cores to 4. Click on Continue and you can keep the default size as 64 GB and click on Continue again. Now you have to name your virtual machine, so I am keeping it macOS Ventura by techreacher.com. So once this is done, simply click Save. Now you have to simply start your virtual machine. You can either click any of the play buttons. Simply click OK and confirm. Now you can ignore this warning and close this. Now this installation will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait for a while. So now you can see that there is a different pop-up and we have successfully installed macOS Ventura on our virtual machine using the UTM software. Here you can see that the installation process is almost complete, so you can just wait for another 5 to 10 seconds. So here is the installation process. Now simply select your language. I'm keeping it English. Now select your country or your region. Click Continue. Not now, and click Continue again. So you can simply click Setup later. You can also log in as well. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Agree. Now you have to create your computer account. So you have to enter your full name, account name, a password and a confirmation of the password. Once done, simply click Continue and wait for it to create your computer account. You can simply click Continue and ignore this. Now simply click on the map and you have to select your time zone. So for me it's New Delhi. Click on Continue and Setup later. Click Continue again. Now you can choose your look. You can choose from light, dark or auto theme. I'm selecting dark. So that's it for the installation. Now you can see that your macOS Ventura has been successfully installed on your virtual machine. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.